Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to generate an SSH key on Linux. So, in order to do it, first of all we need to go into terminal, so I will press on show apps and press on terminal. And right there. Most important thing you need to do is to make sure that your SSH is installed. You can check it by typing in the command like this, status SSH, and typing in your password. For me it's active, and for you it should also be. If you don't have it active and installed, you can go back to the video where I showed you how to install SSH. After the installation, you have to start it because it is not started by default, I guess. So sudo systemctl start SSH and it will work. And right now we can move on to generating SSH key. First of all, where can we check if we already maybe have an SSH keys? We can check it in the directory like this, because it is stored in the home and in hidden folder .ssh. As you can see, we don't have any keys right there, because this folder is by default right there, it is empty. We should have something called like idrsa.pub, that means public key, but we don't have that, so we have to create that. And how to create SSH key? Basically very easy, ssh-keygen, so we're starting generating our key. Right now -t, that means the type of the key. And right now I will use RSA, and right now I have to choose the key length. So the minimum value should be 4096. You can do more, but it's I think safe value. And right now I can choose the -c and add some description or comment, whatever you want. You don't have to do it, but I will maybe add that. So for example, test key. And right now this is how you generate an SSH key. You can press enter, and as you can see, generate public and private RSA key pair. And right now enter file in which to save the key. Right here you have the default one, the one that I showed you here. You can leave it. If you want some other directory, you can write the path right there and press enter. I will leave it like this and press enter. And right here you can enter the path. You can, or you basically, if you don't want to, you can skip that. Maybe I will add the password, so I will type something like this and something like this. If you don't want the password, you can basically type press enter 2 times. And as you can see, your public key has been saved in this in this directory, and your identification has been saved in this directory, and the key fingerprint is right there. So as you can see, everything worked. Right now we can also again list that SSH directory. As you can see, we have 2 keys generated, the public and the private. It's very important to remember that you can public your public key to anyone, but your private key should stay private, so it's very important to remember that. And that's all in this video. This is how you can generate the SSH key on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next ones.